afternoon all. Good afternoon, sir. My topic of presentation is augmented reality in games. Contents are introduction, literature survey, brief on theme, conclusion, and references. First is the introduction of augmented reality. Basically, augmented reality is a combination of virtual reality and actual reality. We use this AR technology for computer generated image and show their real world environment and composite view to the users. There are many applications of augmented reality, in mobile games augmented reality is used, and in medical training also augmented reality is. I choose augmented reality in mobile games topic. Then literature survey of this topic. First is what is meant by AR games. So basically, AR games is the integration of games, visual and audio content with the users, and show their environment to real time in their users. In this table shows different AR games and their characteristics, including games genre, games hardware, and tracking mechanism, and whether the game is played single, collaboratively, or competitively. In first column, there are different games name, and in second, games genre is explained, and then hardware of game, and then tracking mechanism, and last column is for players. So first type of game is a desktop AR game. In this type, first game is iPad game. In iPad game, genre is used casual genre. In casual genres, games are simpler. In casual genre games, games rules are very simple, and casual genre types game is easy to play as compared to another games. And hardware used for this game is PlayStation and Move controller. And tracking mechanism used for iPad game is marker, and in this game we play more than one or two players. Then second game is Honeyway Train game. In this game, racing genre is used. In racing genre, in this type of game, participate in racing competition with any type of land, water, and air, and this racing competition based on real world racing. And hardware used in this game is computer, and tracking mechanism is marker, and this game is play by only single player. Then remote air games. The In remote air games, example is Air Pursuit. In this game, genre uses action. Action type of game. In this type of games, player physically involved in the game, and this genre includes different variety of subgenres, such as fighting games, shooter games, and platform games, and some real-time strategy games are also include in action games. Chess is a perfect example. Sorry, in action game, player is play one character in a game. Then third type is Fox Mobile AR games. In this first example is Invisible Train. In this genre is used strategy type of games. We use in this type of games skillful thinking and planning is used for achieve our goal in game. And in this game, player must plan actions against their one or more opponents, and then player win a game. And in this type, hardware use is smartphone, and tracking uses marker, and this game is played by a single player. Then second slide is this graph shows AR users. सर माझा आवाज येतोय का? हॅलो सर. हॅलो. हॅलो. हॅलो.
आवाज येतोय तुझा?
Yes, you are audible.
ओके ओके. Then second is graph of AR users. This graph shows AR users from year 2017 to 2021. In 2017, there are 37.6 million users of AR technology and 22.5 users of VR. Then 2018, there are 59.6 million users of AR technology and 34.7 users of VR. And then 2019 it is 68.7 million and 42.9. And in 2020 there are 77.7 million users of AR and 51.8 users of VR. According to this graph, in 2020 there will be chances of 85 million users of AR and 57.1 users of VR. According to this graph, we can say that there are many user of AR as compared to VR, and these user are increases day by day. Then types of AR games. There are three types of AR games: desktop AR games, remote AR games, and Fox mobile AR games. In desktop AR games are played on a PC, like laptop or desktop or a gaming console. In this desktop AR games, the graphics are output on a large screen, and the user are usually interact with game via webcam, which is fixed position, and tracking is by a computer vision. And second type is remote AR games. In remote AR games, remote AR games played by using remote, and the remote control game example is Flypad game, which is played by 11 players simultaneously. Then third third type is Fox mobile AR games. In this game, the user can change their position and also change the output device position. And this type of game are usually on the computer vision base. Then some AR games is also used in education. This graph shows a different game name, and where this game is developed, and which country developed this game, and this game description means uh, when this game is useful, where this game is useful for in education. Then first is Amon Planet game. This game is developed in 2014, and this game is developed by US. And this game is learn to solve fraction problem in a story driven year, and game is guided by a believable pedagogical agent. Then second is Cancer AR. This game is developed in 2016, and this game is developed by Australia. This game is used in education to increase awareness towards environmental conservation through an AR-based game. Um, and these are the list of these games and their description. Last is conclusion and future work. So in this paper I studied the list of most of the current state of art AR games that have been created, and how this game is designed, and how this game is used in education also. And this paper can simply start in this paper shows simply a starting point at trying to consolidating an AR game database. But in future, in AR games, create an automated database, because that people and submit a technological description of their AR games. In doing this, the train graphs and certain aspect of analysis can also be automatically generated. Moreover, the current spectrum of analysis is currently only on the game genre. Hence, most spectrum should be added in the future. In all, this paper serves as the ignition for a continuous and iterative process of consolidating and analyzing AR games in both research and industry also. Thank you.